Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you are all doing well. My name is Tapas Kumar Basu. Once again I am back through my channel Technical Analysis of Financial Product. Today I have decided to illustrate you about a very important technical tools which is widely popular and which is known as a Fibonacci Retracement. This Fibonacci Retracement has got a huge implications as far as the trading part is concerned, and through this Fibonacci Retracement it is very easier to find out the target, and we can easily put the stop loss based on this Fibonacci retracement. So before I go to that chart, I mean that particular details of this tool, that is Fibonacci retracement, let us say who invented the Fibonacci retracement. You know, the Fibonacci retracement was invented by Leonardo Fibonacci, who was the very eminent Italian mathematicians who invented two numbers. One is 0 and one is 1. By adding these two numbers, we got one number. Everybody know that we get number 1, and the very next two number by adding we got two. Very next two number by adding we get 3, and the very next two number by adding we get 5. So this is the way we and so on. So by this way he invented the number which is 23.6 percentage. Second is a 38.2 percentage, 50 percentage, and 61.8 percentage, and 78.6 percentage, and 100 percentage. These are the particular number which are basically widely used while executing the trade. Right? Out of this number, there are 4 numbers which are known as a golden ratio. For example, say 38.2% is a golden ratio, 50% is the golden ratio, and 61.8% is the golden ratio, 78.6% is the golden ratio. And how this golden ratio to be utilized by plotting Fibonacci retracement, I will go one by one. Now, first of all, let me open one chart so that I can illustrate with an example, and it will be more easier for you to make you understand. Sorry. Now this is a chart. So already let me remove first. I have already plotted here. Let me plot once more. Okay, this is a chart of Asian Paints chart. First of all, before plotting it, you have to find out the trend, whether it is an uptrend or whether it is a downtrend. Correct? So now this you have to find out particularly this way. First, let me start from here. You see that I'm just starting from here. You see, from here the downtrend has started. You just see the downtrend has been started over here, right? From downtrend has been started from here to this. Here is a downtrend. Then you saw a little bit of range bound market. Range bound means little bit of up, then down, little bit of up, then down. This is the range bound market. From here we got the trend reversal. I mean, again it uptrend has started. Now let me show how this Fibonacci retracement it means to be work during the downtrend, right? This is the downtrend. What I have to do is just I have to find out the high point. I mean, I have to find out that is the top of the downtrend, top point of the downtrend. This is the top point of the downtrend, and find out the bottom point of the downtrend. This is the bottom point of the downtrend, right? Within this, another thing just I would like to explain you. In case of uptrend or downtrend, uptrend cannot be happened straight away, only up like this cannot happen. There should be some break. I mean, so if any uptrend start, it moves straight, then it come down, then it moves straight, then it come down. That come down means this is the retracement. The how much retracement to be happen, that can be determined by plotting through this Fibonacci retracement. For example, you see the downtrend has started from here. You just see the downtrend has started. Then you saw a little bit of uptrend, which is called a pullback. Again, then downtrend you saw, then little bit of uptrend, which is called pullback. Again, see downtrend. So this how much was the retracement? This pullback is the how much. Or what is the retracement of this pullback? That can be determined by plotting the Fibonacci retracement. So I got this is the highest point and this is the lowest point. What I have to do it? So if you go to the investing.com, where you will get the free software over there. From there you can get the all kinds of tools. So now if I go to the particular this section and click over here, I can see here is a Fibonacci retracement. I have to click over here. Then I have to drag from top point to down point. This is the way I have to drag from top point to down point. If I drag this way, so now I have to make a double click. So now the Fibonacci has been plotted. So I have told you there are 4 Fibonacci points which are very important points, or which are basically known as a golden ratio. One is a 38.2%, one is a 50%, one is a 61.8%, one is 78.6%. These are the majorly known as a golden ratio. Now let us say what when we can make an entry. We see here is some range bound market we saw, then uptrend has started. Right, first uptrend, one candle. You see there is the one candle which crossed the 38.2%, but it closed below the 38.2%. So we will not make any trade. So we can trade only when you see any candle has closed above the 38.2%. And you see there is another candle which is very near to 38.2%, but it hasn't closed above the 38.2%. So the very next candle you see the 30.2% how much? 2897, right? So and here this candle, what is the close of this candles? 2929. It means the closer is higher of this 30.2%. So now we can make an entry particular this candle, right? So if we enter particular this area, if we buy the stock particular this area, what would be our target? First target will be the 50% level, that is 2962. Generally, if we see if the price crosses the 38.2%, it generally retreats up to 61.8% or more, right? So we can fix up a target of 61.8%, but initially we'll fix up a target of this one, putting the stop loss of 38.2% of Fibonacci retracement, that is that 2897, correct? Now we have to see whether we should book the profit or not. That depends on the appearance of the next candle. We see that this is the next candle. What is the closer of next candle? 3012. What is the value of 50%? There is 2952. The closer is higher. So then instead of booking the profit, we can increase our stop loss. I mean, we can start using trailing our stop loss, right? We can increase our stop loss. Then now we put our target over here, and we trailed our stop loss. I mean, we increase our stop loss. We put the stop loss at 50%, right? Here we see we can book the profit, or we can wait for that. If we see the very next candle we saw, it has also closed above the 61.8%. What is the close? 3034, and the 61.8% 3027. So we expect there is a possibility to retreat to an upside. Same thing happened, that it retreats to the upside, and this candle closed above the 17.6%. So we increased the stop loss 61.8%. Then after that we book the profit over here, right? So this is the way we can use the trailing stop loss, right? So now from here, so we saw that it again came down. It retreats to a downside. So this level, how much it retreats to, again you saw it came down. The very next candle also it came down. Again it crossed this one, right? So this is the retracement level. So now Fibonacci says if any price crosses 78.6%, either it may go to the upside, or it may come below of this. So it came below of this. So retracement can happen from this level. That through the Fibonacci we can find out. You see that retracement has started from here. It came down over here. Again it went up, right? From went up, and it went up. It crossed the 100%. From there again it retreats. How much it retreats? So that last candle is here. We expect it might come down up to this level, from this level, or if from there if you see any bullish candle, that it go up. Otherwise, if you see there is any bearish candle, it may come down. How much it may come down? How much it can be retracement? That 61.8% can be retracement. From there, how much it could be retracement? From here to 78.6% retracement can happen. Otherwise, either the retracement can be happen up to this, or from here, if there is any bullish candle appear, then it will go upside. Initially, how much would be retracement? Up to that is 100%. That is 3238. either it can cross 3238, either it can come down. So we can get some idea about the retracement, right? So you see from here that this candle opened over here, it crosses the 17.6%, then it came to 61.8%, then again it came down over here, then again it came down here, then it took a support from here, 38.2%, the retracement happened over here up to here, then again it came up, then again it came down, right? This is the way it happens. So now another thing, with the help of a Fibonacci retracement, if you just plot, if you just utilize another indicator which will give you more better confirmation. For example, I am just plotting the stochastic, right? If you plot the stochastic also give you a very good signal to you also. You just see we have make an entry just when the price crosses above the 38.2%. You see there is a stochastic. There are two lines of stochastic. One is the K percentage and a D percentage. Blue one is the K percentage, a red one is the D percentage. When the K percentage will intersect the D percentage from the below, which indicates a buying signal. You see, we have made an entry and stochastic also given a buying signal from here. We made that entry. So there is a stochastic is also very good indicator. Apart from stochastics, a lot of people are also using, RSI also. So as far as this stochastic part is concerned, and RSI part is concerned, I will come up with the next video. Then I will explain you in details how these stochastics and RSI to be used as far as trading part is concerned. This is for uptrend. This is downtrend. How this Fibonacci to be utilized in the downtrend, I just explained you particular through this video. And the next video I will explain you about the uptrend. How this uptrend, how can we make a trade? How can we make a trade while during a uptrend? So by plotting the Fibonacci retracement, and the very next video I will come up with that concept. Okay, this is as far as Fibonacci retracement is concerned. If anybody has any queries, you can put your queries in the comment section. I will try my level best to clarify your comments. Apart from it, also I'm telling you, this is purely for educational purpose. This channel doesn't suggest for any kinds of stock tips, stock recommendation, or any stock advice. So if anybody would like to implement this strategy, first of all, I would request you to please do some paper trading. After doing the paper trading, you also need to have a consultation with your own respective investment advisor. After that, you can take your own decision, because this channel doesn't involve any kinds of trading activities. Okay. I would request you to please, by the way, one thing just I have forgotten. I am having my Telegram channel also. This Telegram channel is also for educational purpose. If anybody is interested to join my Telegram channel, the link is given in the description box. You can also join my Telegram channel. Apart from it, I would request everyone to please do subscribe this channel and like this channel and share this channel to your near and dear ones. And as much as I get, if I get lot more responses from all of you guys, definitely it will encourage me in bringing a lot more videos in near future. By saying this, I am going to sign up today's program. Thank you very much and have a great day.